Hey everybody, welcome back to another YouTube video. Patrick Meehan back at it again. You know what? Let's try something. Hey there you... No, alright, hey everybody, welcome back to another YouTube video. Patrick Meehan back at it again. Make sure you subscribe, hit the bell icon so we can get notified. We're 2 subscribers away for hitting 48, 40, 49, 50 subscribers. So make sure you hit that bell icon so you can hit that bell icon so you can notify when I upload. Yes, I know my hair is a mess. I look like I don't know. I think comment down below. You think I'm Pee Wee Herman? Pee Wee Herman looks like with the hair going down. I think I can't remember if that's him. But I got some good news today. Alright, I gotta get my shoes on, then we're gonna run outside because I got work on getting the yard picked up because since I don't know how to say this, but hold on, let me put you guys down and tell you. Good, okay. I don't know how to say this, but I got some good news, and like sometimes I like spring, but here's this little part. I hate cutting grass. Like every time I got like electric lawnmowers that will have to go like that. It's like, oh boy, driving me crazy. So so that electrical lawnmower, it's not bad, but we gotta go cut grass. I think probably Saturday or next Saturday. I don't know. So yeah, I gotta go outside, do that. It's like, well, it's just sticks. Like the old saying, like, sticks and stones may break my bones, but names will never hurt me. Like that. So I gotta go pick those sticks up and just throw them in the woods. So I'm just gonna try to pick them up the best I can, and then after that, go from there. So I was just watching a little Bust Vibes video. You probably saying, "What's Bust Vibes? What Bust Vibes? What's Bust Vibes? What Bust Vibes?" Get it. I start watching this YouTube person, Dave and Lane. He has Captain Buff Buzz, and he is awesome. He's got, like, I'm learning new stuff about school buses, like C2, CE, 3rd Gen CE, and like that. So I'm just like watching some buses, because mainly it is become a bus driver, but once I crush this, what I got inside me, then I could do school bus or cross bus drives. So, yeah. Also, I guess I never show you this, but here, I'll show you this again. See? I'm not sure if you can see it because it's blurry. But here it is. The Lord Jesus has been helping me for the last couple days. Like, here is my list. I forgot to cross it off, but I've been working on it for maybe a little bit while. Like, I'll show you where I went to. Just give me one little second here. It says Patrick Adventure Days. I went to McDonald's. Liquor store, I went to Cold Stone, went to there. Target, going there tomorrow just to look around and maybe get some more stuff. I don't know. Then today I went to Lowe's. So to next week, gonna try to make it to Panera Bread office job lot. That's where you big lots used to be. Gonna check that out. DMB renew ID. Yeah, I gotta renew my ID. Comment down below if you think you can if you think you gotta get an appointment with that. I'm still confused with that part. Walmart, go over there. Been a while over there. Friendlies, IHOP, Graveyard. Now you're gonna say, Patrick, why are you going to the graveyard? Snap out of it! Snap out of it! No. It's not that. It's not that serious going to the graveyard because I bet the two people over across the way. I might try and do a video so I can show you the two people, or three people, the ones who passed away, friend-wise, neighbor-wise, and a relative before he got into North County. So, I think I got the picture in here. Let me see if I got it. 1 little second. This is it. Here it is. Okay, okay, let's see, this, oh boy, this is gonna be tough. I know Abel knows this, but my new subscriber doesn't, but this kid, he was in a wheelchair. He was getting around with Walker and Kane. Walker, and he had stuff going on in his head. I think it was he was fighting. I think he was fighting brain. I can't remember if he was fighting brain cancer. I can't remember he was fighting brain cancer. So, went to his last. Before we all graduated, I graduated in 2020. He graduated in 2020. No, wait, he graduated early, like 2019, because he wasn't going to make it. So, we had like a big parade, like, everybody started at Lindale, worked their way to, they started in Lindale, worked the way to North County, worked our way to Cromwell, and went past his house because this kid right here, Justin Bolton, yeah, they made pins too and all, he passed away. See? Trying to make sure it's not, I mean, it's not, I'm trying to make sure there's no glare in there for you guys. Okay. He passed away, I think he passed away in 2020, I think. I really can't remember that part. So, after he passed away, everybody really missed him, and, it was so sad. Like when I went to his funeral, it was like I was thinking, man, I never took a picture, like, oh, sorry, new person who's subscribed to me, if you're watching this, pause the video, wait until 10 minutes, and then continue the video, because I don't want to hurt your feelings or nothing. But when Justin, when he passed away, I saw this coffin and this awesome blanket with the whole team on here. I try to ask Mom, saying, hey, can you try to make me a blanket like that? And so far, nothing. So, when he passed away, it, like one of our friends, Jamal, came to sit with me. Justin Ellis came to sit with me. And when we got back home and all, I looked at the picture. I accidentally put it to Facebook. Like, when you passed away, there's no, someone should told you saying, please do not take pictures of photography of the body or the coffin. No one told me that. I did not follow that. And then fast forward to I think 2023 or 2024. I went back just to clean up some pictures from Facebook and asked my mom saying, what do you want me to do with this picture in Facebook? Keep it or get rid of it? Mom says, well, Patrick, you get rid of it because it's a little weird having someone dead body on Facebook. I said, I didn't know it at the time. So that was a little crazy at that time. So sorry. About to go outside just another second or so. Let's see. So good news is I made it to Lowe's. I was gonna check this off, and then I distracted myself and I forgot to cross it off. So we're gonna do this now real quick. So, like, I accidentally, I think this is it. Hold on. Lowe's is done, so next Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, or Thursday coming up, be going to Panera Bread. So, if you like Panera Bread, comment down below. This is what I got so far. Like, see, places I gotta go. Right here is supposed to be the date. I did not know you're supposed to do that. No one told me to put a date on there. So I gotta figure that part out. Yeah, man. Can't really. So, and no one told me just to put the date on there when I got that paper. So yeah. Putting some mints in my pocket because I'm going to take some. Alright, and I gotta take my still water because it's empty. It's like this little bit. I was take a recycling. Okay. Rocks, I'll be out front. Oh, sorry about the noise. Okay, oops. It's gonna be cold, but I'm here. I'll show you what I'm talking about. It's just I gotta pick some sticks up and stuff. So yeah. This couple days coming up, make sure you wear your sunblock. Make sure you got everything protected because Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and possibly Thursday is supposed to be 87 degrees. That's gonna be super hot. Like, let's see. Back in the camper. Cool. Side the camper. Hot. Get it? Okay, let's go. See if I can, try to think it would be easier. Alright. So, I, I just don't know. I gotta pick some sticks up today, so, like, I'll show you the difference, because the grass is really almost grown in, but it's not quite there yet. See? Grass growing on over here. Half up there, no. Down there, yes. And over in my grandparents' yard, you can see behind me, it's not the same. And then the side, like the curb, it's like a little bit grown in. So yeah. Like, I don't mind picking this stuff up, but when you got a lawnmower, it's just you gotta pick the stuff up, or you gotta buy a new lawnmower. So I'm trying to see if I can do this with my hand. Like, one time we had a tree, I can't remember, was this one or what, but a tree fell and left all these sticks. Oh no, wait, we made a little path and all, but yeah. So cut all these sticks down and just trying to make a little path. Like these little sticks, Walmart could cut on them. Big sticks like this giant stick right here. Look, 3D. Like, these giant sticks will cut up the lawnmower, and we'll have to buy a new one. So, if you got a lawnmower, and make sure you pick up the sticks first, then do that. So, yeah. So, like, it's gonna take me time just to do it with one hand, but at least I'm talking to you guys, and it's a good day. See the sun? Feels a little good day, and it feels good just to listen to the birds, a little breeze in. But yeah, so what else? I had to try to reback my track on a walk one day with you guys, but up by farther in the woods, I found this gap, and there's like a stream with water. It's like you can see all these rocks, you can see the stream. It looks awesome, it looks beautiful. I'll have to try to reback a track one day so you can see what it looks like. But so if you want to see that video, comment down below. Video on the train stream. I'll try to get closer one day and show you it. So yeah. And you're gonna say, what you went to lose today for, Patrick? Well, I'm taking it easy right now for a minute. I just gotta. I went to lose today because I ran out of trees for Roxy, and I just thought get her a bone and some new stuff and like that. So like I won't show you the toy because we're outside, but I'm getting it because it's good. So right now it's just like I got her toy. I can't get anything to my neighbor's dog because she tears a hole in the toy, stuffing comes out, and it's just like because she's worried about it and then the dog will die. True. So I just don't know. I don't know one thing I was thinking about, an indestructible toy. So that way when she has it, she plays with it. And so far she just only has like two bouncy balls with the squishy in them, like the squeeze, or the thing in there. And so far it's just like